In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide ribbon in Outlook. We'll keep this simple and focused so you can clear up your toolbar and keep only the tools you actually use. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your favorite search engine. In the search box, type Outlook, then select the official Outlook website from the results. Once Outlook loads in your browser and your inbox is visible, we'll make a small customization to the ribbon. The strip of buttons across the top where actions like New Mail, Reply, and Archive live. Look toward the top right area of the Outlook window for the More Options icon. It looks like three dots on the toolbar. Click those three dots to open the Overflow menu. In that menu, choose Customize. This opens a panel dedicated to personalizing what appears in your toolbar. Inside the customization pane, switch to the Buttons section. Here you'll see a list of the available commands. Each item has a checkbox that controls whether the button shows up on your ribbon. To hide a button, simply uncheck it. As you go, think about which actions you use daily and which ones just take up space. For example, you might keep Reply and New Mail visible, but hide options you rarely touch. Don't worry, you're not deleting features. You're just tidying up the toolbar. You can always come back and turn any button back on later. After you've unchecked the buttons you want to hide, look for the Save option at the bottom of the panel and click Save. Your changes apply immediately. You'll notice your ribbon is now cleaner, showing only the tools you kept enabled. If something looks missing that you decide you still want, return to the three dots. Open Customize again, go back to Buttons, recheck that item, and save once more. A quick recap. Open Outlook in your browser, click the three-dot More Options menu on the toolbar, select Customize, go to the Buttons section, uncheck the items you want to hide, and click Save. That's all it takes to streamline your Outlook ribbon. Pro tip: make adjustments in small batches, then use Outlook for a bit to see if the layout works for you. If changes don't appear right away, refresh the page and double-check that you clicked Save. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more focused Outlook experience.